So I recently recorded a video talking about the different gold that you should stack, and it got me to looking at my own gold stack, and I realized I was missing some of my gold coins. What a mess. Let's get into it. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you blast that subscribe button and get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content. Today, what I wanted to do is kind of do a quick run through of my gold coins because I have been getting really close to this goal that I set quite a while ago of 50 ounces. And it seems like every time I get close to that goal, it seems like I either have to sell something or I do sell some of it off for an auction. I forget to replenish it. It's like a 2 steps forward, 1 step back type of thing. So I wanted to kind of go through everything and see what I have in stock and make this a reminder to all of you how important it is that you keep meticulous records of the items that you buy, especially if you're buying and selling. I mean, I am buying and selling precious metals all the time. And I think what happened here is that I sold off some of my gold coins for the auction and then forgot to mark it in my personal stack spreadsheet. And because of that, time passes and then you're looking through everything and something is off and what a mess. So let's get to the low hanging fruit, the easiest stuff to cover first. And that's like the 1 ounce coins. And I happen to have here what I thought was, and this is actually, I think, one of the major places that I am missing my gold is with the gold buffaloes. I am working on completing a tube, and I thought at 18 ounces, and it looks like I sold off a couple, and so I'm actually sitting at 16 ounces of gold when it comes to the buffaloes. So I'm going to write ounces over here, and so over here I've got 16 buffs, which is 16 ounces. So now I'm going to look at my gold collectible coins because they also are just 1 ounce pieces and it's easy to kind of go through them really quickly. So here we've got the reverse proof gold coins from Spain. I'm just going to kind of set them off on the side here. We got a 1 ounce gold eagle, which will go right there. Not a collectible coin, but it's still a 1 ounce piece. Got a few more pieces here. The Chinese myths and legends. Queen's Virtues. Here's another Queen's Virtues. And then I'll count these all up in just a moment. We'll stack these on top there for the sake of space. Got some more miscellaneous stuff. Queen's Beast Completer coins. Gold Czech Lion. Royal Arms coin. I forget the name of that one. Got to talk to my friend Cobra Stacker or... let me see here. Yeah, okay. I just wanted to make sure I had the right... Am I still in... Yep, I'm still in the frame there. Or Backyard Bullion. Got to talk to those British guys over there to see what the name of that coin is over there. I forget. Britannia, another Chinese myths and legends. That's a phoenix. Another gold Czech Lion. This is a different one. A gold Libertad. John Wick. Still haven't seen the movies yet. Guys, don't beat me up too much. A Scrooge McDuck. Gotta love Scrooge. All right, and so that's another 16, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, we're going to write miscellaneous coins. All right, so we got 18 there. And then when it comes to fractional, I've got some Spanish fractional gold here. We've got some links and some bulls. All right, so these are 10th ouncers. And I've got a total of 10. I got 6 lynxes and I've got 4 of the bulls. So we're going to say 1/10 Spain. And we've got 10 of those. And that's 1 full ounce. And then I've got over here a 1/2 ounce gold eagle proof. And then I have another 10th ounce of the, what are these? The Lady Justice coins. I have 5 of those. So let's just round that to 1 whole. Because we've got a 1/2 ounce of these little guys and then a 1/2 ounce of the gold eagle. So 1/2 plus 0.5 justice, which gives us 1 ounce. And then we've got a bunch of these miscellaneous 10th ouncers. Let's just put these in my hand here. What do we got? Some more of the reverse proof Spanish coins, some kookaburras, the gold koi fish. So this is 0.6. We're going to put these right up there. These little itty bitties go right up here. All right, so what do we have? What did I say we had there? Miscellaneous tenths. We got 0.6 of those. And then quarter ounce pieces. We've got 2 Britannia and a proof eagle. So we'll say miscellaneous fourths, and that's 0.5. And then next up, we've got some pre-33. In pre-33 gold, I've got some of the double eagles, both slabbed and unslabbed. And these come out to be 0.9675 ounces of gold. So let's put these down here. 3 of those. So we'll call these the double eagles. And they are, I believe they're $50 coins, right? I mean, yeah. No, $20 coins. So double eagles times 3. It's 0.9675, which times 3 comes out to 2.9025. Then I've got these 3 miscellaneous 10th ouncers right here that were given to me as gifts. I'll just set those up here for now. Please don't fall over and knock everything over. 3 tenths eagles. So we got another 0.3. And then we got the 50 pesos coin. Beautiful chunky beast right here. And 50 pesos, I'm running out of room, comes out to 1.2057. We also have the 20 pesos. All right, 20 pesos, really nice looking Mexican coin. Put that right there. 20 pesos, that's 0.4823. Then we have the, let's see here, St. Gaudens. I was like looking at my handwriting, and my handwriting is atrocious. We got St. Gaudens, slabbed and unslabbed MS65. Hey, oh, look at that one. All right, let's put these up there. 2 Gaudens. And the 2 Gaudens, those are 0.9675 a piece, just like the double eagles above. Times 2 comes out to 1.935. What's next? Then we've got the Austrian Corona. Nice big wafer thin coin. Corona. Running out of space here. That's 0.986 ounces of gold. 2 Indian heads at the $2.50 denomination. Slabbed and unslabbed. All right, let's put these right up here. And those $2.50 pieces times 2, they are 0.12 ounces. So that's 0.24 ounces of gold. Then we have the Pipsqueak. This is the $1 Liberty head coin. This thing is so tiny. All right. $1 coin. That is 0.0484. Running out of room. I'll write some more over here. We've got the $2.50 lib right here. Liberty right there. Boom. All right. This is, I'll write over here, $2.50 lib. And that is 0.12. I'll just write it over here, 0.12. And then we've got Liberty half eagles right here. These are $5 pieces. All right, so those are the half eagle and 0.24 each, which comes to 0.48 for those two coins right there. And then we've got a $10 Indian head, $10 Indian head. We'll put this guy down here. We're going to say 0.484. And then the last coin is a $10 Liberty head. We'll put her right over there because the whole thing's a mess at this point anyway. That is the $10 Lib. Same thing, 0.484. Now I took the liberty of adding this all up in my spreadsheet to see exactly how much I get. And the total comes to, drum roll please, comes to 46.7719 ounces of gold. Okay, so I am short by about 3.2 ounces for my 50-ounce goal. And this is just an important reminder that you are very meticulous with your spreadsheets, with your records, and what you're doing to keep track of all of your gold. Because if you end up ever having to sell and you're accounting for that money and stuff is missing, that's going to be a problem. So luckily my discrepancy wasn't off by that much. But I am getting ever closer to that goal of 50 ounces. What is your goal for stacking, and what do you do to keep track of all of your precious metals? Let us know in the comments.